On a cold, desolate world, nearly 300 million kilometers from Earth, something incredible just happened. Something never before seen by human eyes. A scene so surreal, so terrifying, it could have been pulled straight from a sci-fi nightmare. But this wasn't fiction, it was Mars. And the Perseverance rover? It captured it all on camera. January 25, 2025. Jezero Crater. The skies above Mars shimmer with a faint reddish haze, and suddenly, there it is. A swirling column of Martian dust stretching hundreds of feet into the sky. A dust devil, spiraling through the ancient terrain like a ghost. But this wasn't just a normal dust devil. This one was hungry. And what happened next stunned NASA scientists and space enthusiasts across the globe. Perseverance, standing just a kilometer away, bore witness to an interplanetary vortex showdown, as a larger dust devil devoured a smaller one in an atmospheric battle of titans. Let's break it down. What exactly did Perseverance see? Through its high-res navcams, the rover captured two vortices, one small, about 5 meters wide, the other towering at 65 meters. The smaller dust devil danced across the plane, until it crossed paths with its massive cousin. In a moment of sheer alien drama, the larger vortex pulled in the smaller one, merging their swirling energies into a single colossal tower of wind and dust. It was like watching one tornado consume another. Scientists call this vortex cannibalism, and while it's not unheard of in atmospheric science, witnessing it on Mars? That's a first. Dust devils form when sunlight heats the ground, causing hot air to rise rapidly through cooler layers above, spinning into a swirling vortex. On Earth, we see these in deserts and dry landscapes. But on Mars, they're a whole different beast. The thin Martian atmosphere, just 1% the density of Earth's, means dust devils can grow massive, towering over skyscrapers and stretching kilometers into the sky. They're not just weather oddities, they're sculptors of the Martian surface, and they might even hold secrets about the planet's past climate and weather systems. So how does one dust devil eat another? It's all about pressure and rotation. Think of two whirlpools spinning near each other. If one is stronger, its rotational energy can destabilize and absorb the other, forming a single, stronger vortex. On Mars, where winds can reach over 60 miles per hour, this energy exchange is a spectacle of raw alien physics. NASA's team observed this exact phenomenon in the footage. The larger vortex pulled in the smaller, swirling faster and taller as it absorbed more dust and energy, before eventually dissipating in the cold Martian air. Why does this matter? Besides being insanely cool, this event helps scientists understand Martian weather in ways we never could from orbit. Each dust devil changes the terrain, moves sediment, and affects the Martian atmosphere. They might even clean the solar panels of future missions, or destroy them. Tracking these vortex events gives us clues about where wind energy is strongest, how Martian storms evolve, and even where to land future missions safely. Now imagine this, a crewed mission lands on Mars in 2030. Astronauts step out, and nearby, a dust devil the size of a skyscraper begins to form. What happens next? Understanding vortex behavior could mean the difference between survival and disaster. That's why every dust devil Perseverance captures is a treasure trove of knowledge. Perseverance wasn't just built to collect rock samples, it was built to observe, analyze, and uncover the secrets of the red planet. From ancient lake beds to now interplanetary vortex cannibalism, the rover is changing everything we know about Mars. Its cameras, microphones, and weather instruments are giving us a front-row seat to the strangest weather in the solar system. But here's the wild question, what else is lurking in the Martian skies? If dust devils can battle and merge, could larger storms rise and span entire regions? Are we seeing the early signs of something more intense, more dangerous, than anything we've imagined? Mars may be a dead planet, but its atmosphere is alive with motion. And it's only a matter of time before we uncover even more dramatic events hidden in the silence of its red skies. Perseverance has given us a window into a world both familiar and utterly alien. A place where whirlwinds battle in the silence, and dust devils dance across the dunes like ghosts from another time. This latest encounter reminds us. Mars may be quiet, but it's never still. So keep watching the skies. Because on Mars, even the dust devils have stories to tell, and some of them end in devourment. If you loved this Martian mystery, smash that like button, subscribe for more thrilling cosmic discoveries, and tell us in the comments, what do you think is the wildest thing Perseverance will see next? This is ASTRUM Mysteries. Until next time, keep wondering.